So you want to move to Montreal, you said. You thought it'd be fun, you said. Well, here, my friends, is what you are looking at in the middle of January. Good day to ride a bike. Oh, here comes the wind. Watch out. Oh my God, it's coming. Look at that car. Oh, this is a wild one. This is a wild one, my friends. Woo. Can you feel that wind? It's just sudden gusts that are coming out of nowhere. Wow. I think that street in particular was creating some kind of canyon of the wind. Not gonna be out too long today. Just walking with my phone, giving you a little look. See if we get any more of those big gusts like we got before. That was... What's going on up there? Maybe they were just honking at a stopped car, but here it comes again. Oh. Not sure how well my phone is picking it up, but these sudden, almost like mini tornadoes are just forming in the middle of these intersections, and making it quite difficult for a few seconds to stand in one place, really. I think there's a cloud coming up ahead, clearing the sidewalk. I'll try to show you that without getting run over. Okay, I gotta move, I guess. I was gonna say, why is he honking at us? We're just walking here, but then again, he's doing very important work, so. Especially on a night like this, you gotta respect the snowplows because they are the ones keeping us from getting buried in this stuff. Montreal, Quebec, Canada. One of the most intense winter environments you'll ever see, to be honest. Look at this guy. There's a lot of Canadian cities getting dumped with snow right now. We're definitely not the only ones in this country, but one thing I admire about Montrealers is how, you know, the show doesn't stop. There might be a few less people on the streets than usual, but you can see lots of people just putting their boots on, putting their coat on, and doing what they have to do. Tough people here in Quebec. It takes more than a foot or two of snow to stop us. Hope you enjoyed this little video, my friends. Are we gonna get one more big gust of wind to end it with? The first one was crazy. Oh, here's another one. Here's something. It's funny if you're walking and you're well dressed with your winter stuff. It's fun. It's funny. But if you're driving or you are unable to see, it's a bit less fun. So